back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So I've put together quite a few makeup products that every girl must have. You can even call this beginner makeup starter kit or beginner must-haves. So if you're a beginner, then definitely you won't want to invest a lot in makeup products because you're just trying and testing out the products according to your skin type. So I'm going to show you some of the products that you would actually need without burning a hole in your pocket. So this is an informative video where I'm showing you all the products and telling you why you need them, and the best part is that all the products are under rupees 600. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first product is this Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. So this is something that will keep your makeup in place for hours. So if you're a college or office going, this will make your makeup last longer. This primer definitely provides a good canvas to put your makeup, and when you apply it, this will definitely reduce the appearance of pores, and the best part is that it creates a wall between your skin and your makeup. The second product is a foundation, and this is the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation from Maybelline. You can even go for a BB cream, and this is the Pond's BB cream. But as we're talking about must-haves, I personally feel it's better to have a foundation, because if you're going for a glam look, then obviously you would need a foundation, and if you're going for a soft makeup look, then you can take a small amount of this and mix it with your moisturizer, so it's going to work well as a BB cream. So this is your personal choice that what you'd prefer more, a foundation or a BB cream. So when we talk about this foundation, it's not a full coverage foundation, but it's definitely buildable, and when you build it, it will not get cakey, so it blends beautifully into the skin. Okay, so the third product are these concealers. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this one is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Okay, so why I say two concealers? I use this LA Girl Pro Conceal to cover my dark spots and the dark circles, and this matches the shade of my foundation, and I am in the shade Creamy Beige. After blending this out, I use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is 2 to 3 shades lighter than the shade of my foundation, and I apply it underneath my eyes, on my T-zone, and a little bit around my mouth area. So this just brightens my entire face. Now the base products are done, and moving on to the eyes. On to the fourth product, and this is the Wet n Wild Eyebrow Kit. I really don't know how much to say about this product. I've been using this since a long time. I really like this kit, and the best part is this comes with two colors, a wax, a tweezer, and an angular brush, and this even has a mirror. So this is an amazing kit. Okay, so the fifth product is an eyeshadow palette. So it must have warm tones, neutrals, and a little bit of shimmer, because they are the safest colors you can start off as a beginner. I'm currently obsessed with this Nykaa Eyes on Me palette, and I would recommend this to you all. And this is in the shade Sundowner Stunner. I'm even wearing it on my eyes at the moment, and you can see how pigmented it is. This palette has amazing neutral colors, matte and shimmer, so you can create beautiful eye looks by using this palette. I'm going to swatch a few shades for you. You can see this, it's so pigmented. I'm going to swatch a matte color. Then definitely see how pigmented it is, and this is priced as rupees 599. So what's better than this? So these are some brushes that you would need to do your eye makeup. The first one is this fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, and you can use this to apply color in your crease. And the second one is this flat brush, and you can use it to apply shimmer or any kind of color to your lids. And the last one is this small little bit pointed brush, and you can use this to apply color to your lower lash line. So these are three brushes that you would need to do your entire eye makeup. Moving on to the 7 products, mascara and eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I've been using this since a long time. So this actually gives length to the eyelashes and voluminizes at the same time. And this is not a waterproof mascara. I don't like to use waterproof mascara on daily basis. So as this is not a waterproof mascara, so it gets easier for me to remove my makeup by the end of the day. And if you're using a waterproof mascara, make sure you use an oil-based makeup remover to get rid of the mascara properly. So if you like to use gel eyeliners, this is what I would recommend. This is the Maybelline Hyper Glossy, and I've been using this from the past 4 years. So you can easily do a winged with this eyeliner, and the best part is this comes with a really fine tip and it's super flexible. So you can see this. So all in all, it's an amazing gel eyeliner. So the eighth product is a blush, and this one is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is in the shade Peach Peak 01. So this gives a really natural look to the skin. It gives a pinkish color. So I'm currently wearing this blush, and as you can see, this is a soft pink peachy color, and this gives natural flush of color to the cheeks. I even like to apply it on my lids. Okay, so the ninth product is my favorite product, and that is the highlighter. This is from Maybelline. This is their Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold 100. So these powders are so creamy that they feel like butter to the touch, and they also come in 3 different shades. I'm currently wearing this highlighter, and you can see this is intensely pigmented. I would recommend using a light hand if you're going for a more natural look. Product is this lipstick from Nykaa's Creamy Matte collection. So this is in the shade Wake Up Makeup, and this is the perfect kind of brown nude. This is pigmented, not at all drying, and the best part is this suits the Indian skin tones. So you can definitely wear this color to office or college. You can see this is the perfect kind of brown nude. These were some of the products that you must have in your makeup bag, and they won't cost you much. I hope this video turns out to be useful for all of you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in my next video.